Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley, and in this channel I make lifestyle cleaning and thrifting videos. For today's video, I thought I'd get my camera and film myself cleaning. I haven't done any cleaning videos in a while. I know that I used to make them a lot, and now my YouTube is based on more decor than anything, but I do love cleaning a lot. And in my intro I do say that my videos are cleaning videos, so today I thought I'd bring you guys one and hopefully give you motivation to tackle some of your chores that you have in your home. I know that right now we get a little lazy because we have our kids home. A lot of parents are working from home, or a lot of kids are being homeschooled, so I do get a little bit lazy sometimes, but I really do not like to have a dirty home. I feel like I'm not in a clean space, and it feels very disorganized, and my day doesn't go by well or quickly if I have a dirty home. So I just love cleaning, and honestly, it just puts me in a really good mood cleaning my home and getting everything ready for the kids or for my husband when he gets home from work. I recently got a new mop, and I love it so much. I used to have the spin mop, but it broke on me, and honestly I feel like I needed a change, so I got this one. I think it's by the brand Bin Man or something like that. I got it at the exchange, but you can find this at Target or Walmart. I love it so much. I remember I used to own like a twist mop like this one. I bought it on Amazon and I loved it so much, but I like whenever I mop, I put so much like strength or force to the mops that I end up breaking them. It's not necessarily like the mop's fault. It's probably and most likely my fault that I break them, but I'm using this one and I really like it. And then I just put some warm water on a bucket with some Pine Sol. I love the way Pine Sol smells. It feels well, my floors feel very clean after I use it, and also it smells delicious and it reminds me of my childhood, so I just love using it. And here I am, you guys, moving my new beautiful chairs. I got these beautiful like buffalo check accent chairs at the thrift store, and I got both of them for $35. I could not believe that these were at the thrift store, and as soon as I saw them I took them with me because I could not pass them up. I've been wanting some accent chairs for my dining table for a really long time, and I had something in mind like these kinds of chairs, and I cannot believe that I found them. So I love them so much. I am gonna take care of them because they are made of fabric, so I don't let my kids sit on them. They're only allowed to sit on the wood white chairs because I'm scared that they're gonna spill something on them and they're gonna get all dirty. Now, I don't know about you, but my son leaves his toys everywhere. Literally in the kitchen, in the living room, in my room, in his room, in the restroom, everywhere around the house. So I'm always picking up his toys. And this time he left them in the living room, and I keep telling him to go play in his room, but he just does not listen. He just wants to be with us. So I was picking up his little toys, and I'm here cleaning my new coffee table. It's not necessarily new. It's new to me. I ended up trading my wood like square coffee table that I had for this one, because our living room is different now. We have more space now because I ended up separating our sectional. I was getting really bored of having like a sectionals, and I wanted like regular separated sofas for my like new furniture pieces to fit in the living room, and I ended up separating them, and I love how the living room looks. It feels more homey and more inviting. I'll eventually go back to the sectional if I end up getting bored with this the way it is, but for now I love it so much. There's more space in it, and to be honest, I wanted more space because I got this new antique white hutch that you see behind me. I am obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. You guys are not gonna believe me, but I ended up trading an old bookshelf that I had for this beautiful hutch. I love it. Before we came to Japan, I actually wanted to buy a hutch that looks like this, or similar to this, but I never really did because we were told that our furniture was gonna be weighted and we only could bring so many things. So I ended up not buying it, and I cannot believe I found one, and this woman like traded my old bookshelf for this beautiful hutch, and I love it so much. I cannot wait for us to get a bigger house so I can display it even more. But yeah, I'm just fluffing up my pillows. I just cleaned my sofas because they were full of food and crumbs for my toddler eating on the sofa, even though they are not allowed to eat in the living room. Food ends up getting stuck in between the couches or the cushions, so it happens. But yeah, I'm just vacuuming everything up and cleaning everything. Right, oh my god, you guys, I need to show you this. This is a super cute little Scentsy barn. I recently got it, and I am obsessed with it, like obsessed. It's so pretty at night. It looks super cute with the little light inside. And I was just putting some wax inside to make the house feel very cozy and sweet. I also want to show you and flaunt my new mantle. I'm so proud of this mantle because I made it myself. Like, I legitimately DIY'd this myself without my husband's help or anyone's help. I did it myself, and I'm so proud of it. It's so pretty. There's definitely going to be new videos or new upcoming videos of me decorating my mantle for Christmas. I'm really excited to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it and get it all pretty and festive for Christmas. So stay tuned for videos like that in the future. I'm already planning on what I'm going to use and what I'm going to decorate with for Christmas. I have a lot of Christmas tree, you guys, just so you know. You will see a lot of Christmas trees in my house.